Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. Oops. Good morning. Oops.
Yo, yo.
Good morning. Sorry, I was hearing yo 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 good morning a few times. Sorry,
Yeah, same.
hearing yo 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 good morning a few times.
Yeah,
Whoa,
same.
what's going on?
It's your stream, bro. You're streaming the whole desk.
Oh.
That's why. I was like, dang.
OBS.
I,
Good morning,
we got it.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
Good morning, everybody. Denitria. AB, I seen you kill the Asian. Tell me,
As
bro.
always,
Tell
as
me.
always.
Yeah. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. It's a Monday. And yeah, we got the blessing of seeing another week. So let's give thanks, let's bless the session, and then attack these charts, shall we?
Yes, sir. Sounds
Righty.
good.
Let's pray. Shall we pray?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pray. Jesus, thank you for this lovely and blessed day you've given to us, Lord. I just want to thank you that we're able to see a new week, Lord. I just ask that you will align our path with the path that you have perfectly designed for each and every one of us, Lord. I just ask that you'll bless every single person that comes in and out of the Discord and the YouTube this morning and throughout the rest of the day. I just want to thank you for this amazing community that we build through you, Lord. I just pray that we will be able to do what you have planned for us and not follow throughout our own plans. I ask that you just go before us this session, just bless it. I ask that you'll just help us keep our emotions in check and that we trade really well today. We thank you for all that you do, Lord. Thank you for bringing us all together. May we just be better for one each other every single day. May we sharpen each other. And may we be your light today, Lord. We thank you, we praise you, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Man.
Lewis.
Lewis in the
Hey,
Asia.
We got
Morning,
Lewis
boys.
in the
Morning, gang.
London.
Yeah, London, I mean, yeah.
I had to pull up.
Tell you, bro.
How you doing?
Great to have you.
Kind of sleepy, trying to get used to it, but I'll be alright.
W.
You watched the Super Bowl all night or what happened?
Yeah, I mean, I got maybe 2 hours of it, but it is about an hour drive, so it's fine. It was cool. It was fun.
W.
Yeah, I wasn't
How's
really.
everybody else doing?
I was trading market open with AB and Aaron,
Okay, let's go. Nice.
and then yeah, I slept.
W.
Yeah, we didn't really trade Asia. Just market open.
27 minutes in open, pipped and dip. W.
Yeah, we dipped after 30 minutes. All right, should we get into the breakdown?
Deserve.
All right, we have a new weekly candle. Let's see how last week closed. So we came all the way back down last week and retested these supports down here, rejected and closed bullish, but we did not close above on the weekly. We could have, because we already were above, but we pulled back and closed below. So that's interesting. If we can now maybe on this week break out, or if we reject, we will see. But on the daily, it's gonna get interesting for today. So we have the previous one grabbing the liquidity and then closing like slightly above, but yeah, really slightly. The new candle now already pushed up and almost filled, yeah, I would say like 70% of that wick to the left. So there's like a little bit more range to the top, but we've already ran quite a bit. So on the 4-hour now, we can see that we have some resistances here on the left. Oops. Right here. And we've been running up on the 4-hour. Like we have a bullish run here. We have a lot of bullish closures in a row, where we can see, what I notice is that it seems like we're kinda losing the power here. So if we look at these candles, they kinda increased in the size they printed, and now these candles kinda slowed down, you could say, right? So we're coming close to this resistance, and now we're kind of slowed down, so it's gonna get a little bit interesting. And looking at the previous 4-hour, which just closed, it closed with no bottom wick. Like we have a small little one there, but I wouldn't really count that as a legit bottom wick. So overall, we are really bullish. What I would like to see now is on this 4-hour, as always, to create a bottom wick, maybe even come down and, you know, grab these lows, give this 4-hour a little wick, and then we look for some supports to get formed and buys up there. And let's see what we can get out of that on the lower time frames. On the 1-hour, we have this resistance right here, where we just closed right at it and then rejected again, closed below. This is the new 4-hour now. We don't have a top wick yet, so this might still form. On the 30-minute, same range. We have a support down here we can look at on the 15. Yeah, we're gonna have a support here. We can use that. So now we have our range. Buys above probably look better if we have them here, just in case. This looks not clean at all with all those wicks, so the closure, like the buys above, look better here. I think everybody would agree. And then we also gonna keep in mind that this is the 4-hour low, the previous, this wick here. So yeah, if we can get like a liquidity grab around this and then a closure back above here, I think the buys, something like this, would look pretty good. Then we have our TP1 and TP2. And a solid stop loss, because that's gonna be our 4-hour low. Yeah. After a liquidity grab, if we get that. So yeah, that's it. I'm not looking for sells.
I like it.
I like it too.
Only if we maybe get like a
Good
range
market.
2 or something, but we would have to kind of print really bearish now. But do you agree, George, what you said?
Yeah, I got the same markup.
Oh, okay,
Same
perfect.
markup,
Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, we need some sort of that liquidity sweep, like you said, because
Mhm.
this 4-hour, I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
like you said, it's just moving up, right?
And there's like a little bit of range we can play that, but it would be way better if we can buy from lower and then also get the liquidity grab.
Yep.
Because it might come at any point, the grab. And then if we are in buys before the grab comes, then yeah, we get screwed.
Yeah. Agreed. Mr. Player, how do you do top down? The way just did it. It's pretty much how we do. We go from the high time frame all the way down to the 15 minutes, just marking the ranges, understanding the price. Yeah, that's how we do it top down. The importance of wicks. This is so between 80 and 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So when there is a candle that doesn't have a top or a bottom wick, we know that this this candle isn't out. It's not a normal candle, right? So we take extra precautions with wickless candles. It doesn't mean that there's no trade or no movement. It just means that we either need to wait for a wick, or we understand that price is way too bullish or bearish to form that wick. And obviously the wick shows a candle high and a candle low. And when we have confirmed high and confirmed low, they become valid for entries, in my opinion, to break current high or to break current low. But wicks are mainly important to show us where price has been and potentially where price could go in the very near future. And if there is no wick, we know that it's not a normal candle. So we take extra precautions. For example, this 15-minute candle that is driving down with no top wick, it's not an ordinary candle. Because 80 and 85% of candles have that top wick. So we take it into our minds that maybe at some point we might want to come up and make that top wick. So if I was in sales in this candle, I'd be stressing, thinking in the back of my mind, this candle may flip and form a top wick. So it's probably a trade I would not be in.
Yeah, because now let's say I marked it up on my chart. Let's say you enter off the previous lows, then you if you enter off previous lows, you want to have current candle stops. But if you don't have a high created in this scenario of sells, then where do you gonna put your stop loss? So either you just put it at the flip, or you're gonna put it at previous, which kind of ruins your RR. And then if you put it at the flip, let's say, at any moment this candle could just come up, flip, and create a top wick and then continue down, like George said. So, yeah. No top wick or bottom wick, no entry.
So
There are like some rare occasions where you can ignore the no top or bottom wick, but that's on high times of volume, and if it's like the second 15-minute of the 30-minute candle, because then sometimes you don't need the 15-minute bottom wick because you already have the wick on the 30-minute, right? But then that's kind of, yeah, it's not that often.
Do you guys pay attention to news as well for market sentiment? I do take into note. Like I said, I watch this guy called Trader Nick, and he gives me pretty much a market sentiment every single day, which helps me understand and read price for the week. But other than that, it's not like I get crazy deep into fundamentals. I like to understand the greater picture of things. But I don't trade market sentiment. I just have it in the back of my mind.
Yo.
Yo,
Aaron.
come on, and Aaron.
Hey,
Good
Good
morning.
morning, brother.
These locks got activated. My bad.
Good morning, Harsh.
Hey guys,
What
don't
am I-
watch the Super Bowl. It's not worth it. So boring, bro.
that was a boring game, I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on, let me make a coffee real
Who
quick.
played? Who played, Lewis?
Oh, it was the
Is
Seattle
the,
Seahawks. Oh, sorry.
Patriots and Seahawks, yeah.
Patriots win?
No, they actually got obliterated.
Ah.
They got their booty smacked.
I knew that would happen.
We should bet
Me
on it.
too, totally, bro.
Hey,
It's not
you know,
like
shit here.
Patriots is the only NFL team I know.
It's because of Tom Brady, right?
That's because of Boston.
Oh, okay, makes sense. All right.
I didn't even know Tom Brady played for them, bro.
Oh, he's retired now. That's all good.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Allison. Great to see you. Nice and
And-
early, and you're not late.
Good morning, Sujay.
Sujay. Was Sujay in Asian? No.
I don't think so. No.
Al Sujay. Good morning, brother.
But you know what was not an L? Your notion AB Mike calling snipes at the market
Yeah,
open.
bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you, brothers. I got another payout upcoming because of that call. I
Let's
appreciate
go.
you. Yes, sir.
W, bro. W.
So you guys know what that
Orders.
means? Giveaway? Question mark? Question mark.
Orders still getting rejected, bro. I thought they would have had it fixed the grand, but I see now if I go to my XFA and try to place one MGC, nothing.
Yeah, same.
Why they playing with you?
And now this is becoming a big problem for me. I've already sent them a bunch of hate mail, and they responded with "Thank you for your patience." And I told them I don't have patience. Stop thanking me. They said we're sorry to have this happen to you, but thank you for your patience. And then I left it.
Oh, you know, you're gonna have to call up the squad, bro. Fly to USA. Can't do it. Knock on a few doors. And then come back.
Hey, I like this. How we come down.
Occurred. Ah, W, bro.
Oh, Aka taking some
W.
payouts.
Yeah,
Let's
bro.
Big
go.
W Ocker.
Crazy.
Ocker with the
Just a
W.
little 1800 times 3.
Alright, let me hold something. Let me get one of those. Let me get one.
W Occurred. That's amazing, man.
Yeah,
Bro.
man.
Don't
No
hate
better
too much.
feeling
Nah,
than
it's
the
not
payout.
real hate, Occurred. It's not real hate. I'm trying to milk him. You know what, Allison? You know what? I want
I
my
want the
free
door. I
XFA,
want
you
the
know?
door.
Got back from my friend's wedding late last night. Back to the event this week. WCJ. Yeah, let's kill it, bro. Let's kill it this week. Second week of Feb. Hopefully it's good to us. But
We're
we'll
gonna be
be
like
good
the
too.
Seahawks this week. The market's gonna be the Patriots.
Nice
Oh,
bleed, you know.
Yeah.
Nice bleed.
It's
AB's in
perfect.
here.
That's
With Morgan AB.
perfect. So who's able to trade on their XFA today? Who has a 100k, 150k, or who is above what it was 1.5k balance on their XFA?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I can't trade my XFA on gold.
Me neither.
I need to rely on Luz today in NY to send some NQ signals.
Lewis, the G.
I don't know, works on combines. That's the only thing. The gold, like trading gold.
Yeah. And on comments you can only go to MGC.
Yeah,
It's,
I noticed that yesterday.
that feels so weird. I hope markets get back to normal soon.
Yeah,
They
bro.
will.
And the ranges are also significantly less than that crazy market, week we had.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit late, I would say. It's
Yeah,
okay.
I agree. I agree.
What's the score? No gold trades at all under 1500 profit on top step. It's either 1500 or 2k. I'm not so sure. I am $7 away from 1500, so I'm basically $700. I mean $7 away from trading this account, and I can't trade it. So.
I think it is 2k probably because my combine now is above 1.5 and I can still only go
Bro.
2.
I can trade
Order
mine.
rejected.
It's above 2. And I can use 2 contracts, 2 MGC.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it is 2k probably.
Yeah. Marlon, good morning, brother.
How Am I not? What happened to my stream? Whoa.
David.
stream?
Good morning, brother.
Oh, my stream failed. Sorry, guys. I did not see that.
Oh, yeah, me too. What am I doing?
Morning, D.
D.
Kind of like the impulse right now.
For buys?
Yeah.
So, like target tapped concept a little bit, basically, to the left on those wicks.
Yeah, but I would have been perfect if we grabbed the forward lows. Then I would have had a buy sub for sure now. But now I think I'm just gonna wait on this 15. Because I think we can still break the forward lows.
Okay.
But we will see. If this close bullish, I'm interested.
Might be
Morning,
interested.
Ben G. GS Classics.
Good morning.
Good morning, winner.
Good morning.
Morning, Benji. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna actually go get my coffee.
Alright.
Everyone have a good weekend. Blessed weekend, brother. Glad to be back.
Yeah, weekend was really amazing.
I believe they decreased it on Friday, so if you didn't trade Friday, it would be again for you. Combines, at least 50k combines can only do 2 MGC, and XFAs 50ks can only trade once your balance is at 2k and above, then you can trade it. Otherwise, if you have an XFA that is below 2k balance, doesn't matter how much drawdown you have, you can't even trade 1 MGC. You can't trade it as of yet.
Yes, sir, Benji. AB's bootcamp starting tonight. So yeah, if you consider joining, today's the day, definitely.
Yeah, for
It is
sure.
going
5
to be
days.
fire.
Especially like if you're interested in learning the lower time frame strategy, how AB trades, then yeah, today is definitely the day. He's starting today in the evening time, which will be at I think 4 a.m. NY time.
Will it be recorded? I'm not so sure, Marlon, but it's for the members. It's for our members. Upload some. That's why you're saying if you think of joining, now is maybe a good time if you want to learn lower time frames, because that's what AB will be covering.
Let's see, 8 minutes.
Grab those 4-hour lows, man. Seriously.
Yeah, would be pretty nice if we grab them and then see it rejecting. I also like that we don't have a 4-hour top wick yet. Brings us back to the beginning of the stream with the top like candles without wicks. Now this could be in our favor.
Yeah.
So far, white might just wanna come back and create the top wick at some point. And if we get in the buys down there, then it's gonna be a nice run up. Oh, and there's the 4-hour lows.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, and that's why I wanted to hold off on these impulse, because that's what I wanted to see first. Grabbing these previous 4-hour low. Now, if we go to the 4-hour, we can see we gave this previous 4-hour now a bottom wick. So if you now would go on SNA, nah, they don't have. But Usually you can also look at the 8-hour chart, and now you would see this 8-hour candle would now have a bottom and top wick. Before that, it would only have a top wick. So yeah. Let's see how we react after this.
Yeah.
We also got
There
some
used to
supports.
be 8-hour candles.
There's like all
Sorry.
kinds of time frames. There's even 12 hours, 16 hours, but not on Top Step. I mean, just in general, you can
Okay.
on TradingView.
TradingView and MT5, baby.
Yep. So we also tapped into these 15 supports now. That was a heavy move down. So we got a lot of volume again in our London session, which is, I like that.
Yeah, yeah. 160 pip, a 1 minute candle. W London. What?
Some light.
Something aligned, sir. Yeah, we tapped that support perfectly. Either we get a reaction from here, or we want to tap that 30 minute support.
Yeah. I would still like to see this candle close back above. Still got 6
Yeah.
minutes. Looks good. The way we reject. You could even go for a buy stop right now. That's what I mean. Like, the impulse is now definitely legit. I'm just not liking the stops now. I wanted to see it break the lows like slightly, so that we have like maybe 150 pips, but now we have over 200. And then yeah, until the 4-hour flip it's only 160. So yeah, I'll just wait on the closure.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, there's 5 minutes anyway, so I don't think it's gonna fly now.
Yeah, and look, if you look at the 30, if we come all the way back down and then form a support, it's even better because we got more clean range to take buys coming up.
Yeah, we got a lot of clean range now.
Yeah. 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 Look, there's nothing we can do with the grant. So, yeah. Maybe buy an account somewhere else. Or just buy a combine.
Good morning, Legrand, Allison, Marlon.
I tried rage baiting them. They didn't fall for it, the grant.
Sometimes Windy is rage baiting me.
Bro, thank you for your patience. Like, what? I just swore at everyone. I have no patience. Thank you for your patience.
I think Windy never helped me. It's always ending with like, let me talk to a real person, and then I'm getting connected to somebody.
Yeah. What did you do this weekend, Dinosh? Except for meet up with the boys last night. Other than that, what'd you do?
A lot. Did a lot of paper stuff for the businesses, and basically did all the stuff I couldn't do these past weeks because I was too busy, you know, with everything else.
Yeah.
So was nice catching that up. Visited my family, went out eating. Yeah, was pretty nice weekend.
Nice, bro.
W, bro. W.
What did you guys do? You had a good weekend too?
Yeah. Yeah, my club played some rugby, so I went to watch them. That's about it, bro. It was like
Well,
a rugby
Free
tournament
George,
weekend.
free George.
free George.
They're not gonna free me, bro. They're gonna keep me banned forever.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I forgot your band. Dang.
You're banned.
Sorry, I was banned
Yes,
too,
it
bro.
was.
I know how that feels.
I'm banned.
It's alright. Happens to the best of us. Sorry,
Yeah.
who's getting booked today in Little Something? Someone might get a yellow card, red card today. We
So
gonna
far
see.
we chilling. So
Yeah,
far we good.
so far, no cards. No cards
What about
today.
you, Aaron? What'd you do this
Uh,
weekend?
I was sick on the weekend, to be honest. Yeah.
Oh really?
So, yeah, I wasn't feeling good this weekend. So, and that was a bummer, but I'm feeling better now. But still, on the recovery road. The road
Alright.
to recovery.
What about you, Woolworths?
Yeah, what about you, Lewis?
Actually, well, I mean, you know, I was watching the Super Bowl yesterday.
Mm.
But Saturday, my wife had a Valentine's Day with her girls, so I had to get out the house. So it
Had to
just
grab one of your G wagons and go on a road trip.
sadly, yes.
Lewis, you're always cracking me up, bro. Let it. So funny, bro.
I had to drive a G wagon from the other side of the house to get on the other wagon, and then
W.
you know,
To get to the wagon,
Did you buy another one this weekend?
basically.
I wish.
Alright, so we got this closure. The 15 and 30 closed. And they both closed below. But like I said, I'm still bullish. I'm not looking for these sells. I rather want to see this forming a nice top wick, now coming down, attempting to fill a wick, maybe even retest these lows. The support, oh my god, the robot, give me a second.
He's got a robot.
Okay. Oh my god, no.
You know, she's under attack.
The clanker.
Send help.
The clanker, bro.
It had to be.
Oh,
It
the
had to be a
clanker bot.
clanker.
I got him
The
under.
clanker bot.
I got him under control. All good.
Bro,
Alright.
crazy. Or the run up on you.
Yeah, where was I? What I would like to see is this 15-minute now retesting the
Was I?
lows and then closing back above, and then we take the buys and fly.
Yeah, I like that. Like
Where
that.
was
Not
I?
even
Getting
fly.
robbed by my
Okay.
robot.
What?
You're like, where was I? Oh yeah, getting robbed by my robot.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on,
we
you know,
got
you gotta
here.
program it to do the robbing.
Good morning, Walter Rostang. Good morning, Upendra, Steve, Spines, Kumar, Twins, Amitria, Anitria, Marlon, the G, Legrand, the other G, D. What's your name, D? Or do you just want to be called D? That's okay too. Good morning, D.
I think it's
Andre,
because of
Allison,
streamer mode.
Alex on charts. Oh,
David.
dude. What have you done to me, you know? I'm just scared to close everything, bro. Like, I still have everything open.
Yeah, I don't know how Discord is moving, because it blurs out like
Misbehaving.
one name out of 20.
Yeah, I see that. And streamer mode is enabled.
Yeah.
Interesting. Anyone in these buys based off the high time frame? No.
Maybe
Not for
AB.
me.
Nah, he's not trading right now, but yeah. Nah, I'm not.
I like those vibes that you're talking about. You know,
Yeah. I want to see it come down, retest these lows again, and then
hold. Yeah.
you guys know the plan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And we equaled that previous high. It would be amazing if we kept that high.
Yeah,
an
looks
entry,
good.
and now we come down, fill some of that wick, reject, and then close above. But this thing may wanna two.
Yeah.
And that's
To
okay.
live. Yeah.
It's not our plan to get in this. We don't have a bottom wick on this. We don't have a closure above. We don't have anything indicating us to get in on the higher time frames. If you guys have a setup on your on the lower time frames, then
Yeah, on the 5 minute it wasn't bad,
yeah,
but still, like, you see what I'm saying.
yeah, I
But
see.
that, yeah, still very little to no bottom mix. So the whole time you're also just,
Anxious,
playing
yeah,
safety. Yeah,
yeah. For me, just nothing right now.
yeah,
But we might get something in 11 minutes.
exactly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see,
Good morning, Sujara.
Oh yeah, good morning, good morning. Dioka, it's always good not to listen to your emotions on trading, because
Yeah, they can be, or their emotions, and they're all over the place.
yeah,
Exactly.
in like my inner voice also screaming at me, be like, yo, this is your move up, that's the move you want, and something in me wants to get in, but then on the other side, and that's like the at this point bigger side that's controlling, is telling me, no, we don't have any confirmation for this to go up. If it goes up, then it's completely, random out of my perspective from my strategy. But yeah, if I take the loss on that and I'm in it, then how am I even gonna journal that down if it's not even a setup? I would feel stupid at that point, and I should feel stupid because I broke my plan and I lost money in that. And yeah,
Okay. Can't reward bad behavior.
yeah. I mean, we all made the experience often enough, so I just learned from it now.
Yeah, 100%, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, Akra. I mean, I was feeling it too. Trust me.
Yeah.
Nav, man, took this loss earlier in the Asian session.
Let's see.
Right.
What
But
time frame is this, man? Looks like a 15. Good morning, Jamil. Jamil, we're blessed, brother. We're blessed.
Hey, Jamil,
How about you?
Yeah.
We blessed, baby. You already know. It's a 30-minute. Nav minutes on the 30-minute.
Maybe
Let's go.
I could think about two things. It's hard to tell. So either one, that was too much bullish pressure, and then I think, what time frame is this? Is this the 1 minute?
That's the 30.
It's the 30. Okay. Yeah, then maybe the volume at that time. Let me see what happened. Got the closure up.
Oh, I see it.
Oh yeah, I see. The volume kind of
Yeah.
slowed down at that time, right? So what we see on the 15 is we started ranging in that time. So I think the setup was good, but maybe not the right timing. Maybe not enough volume at that time, because a lot of moves already happened. But yeah, overall,
Yeah,
it
but other than that, I
looks
think
like a
it's,
good setup. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a good 30-minute resistance to execute on.
Definitely. I don't say I wouldn't take it or anything. I'm just saying this could have been a reason, But yeah, man. Clean.
Yeah, like if that was NYC Open and we got a resistance like that, I'm in there with you now,
Yeah.
man. And I'm pretty sure she's also in there.
100%.
So yeah, maybe it was just a volume issue.
Yeah.
Different time of the Asian session.
And it always
Probabilities.
yeah, and it always switches up, like the London session. I mean, the first weeks of this year we just basically had no volume, and now I can see we start having volume again.
Yeah, I must have seen that. Yeah.
Yeah. So at some times you will have some volume at that time in Asia, but right now, like last night, it seemed like the volume went for a pause at this time.
Yep.
Jamil. What you said?
Awkward. Awkward lying to me. You know.
Oh dang.
Awkward, why you lying?
I would say awkward. I agree with you, Nosh. I think we got some volume now, and this is pre-London Open, so we'll see at London closure if it's a closure or an open.
We just moved 400 pips in 30 minutes.
Yeah, so we got some volume, Mr. Awkward, I believe.
Jamil, good morning. We are doing fantastic. How are you?
Oh, right now, yeah, like 15 minutes ago we had lots of volume, and now we're just stuck. Yeah, I agree with you.
TND.
TND.
TND. Dino.
Good morning, brother.
Morning. TND. Yes, sir, brother.
W Jamil. Glad to hear that. Yeah, no setups right now. I agree.
No, get it out. I'm just kidding.
We got 5
Yes.
minutes. Let's see.
Yeah. What was that? GG's, bro. What's up, my brother? Want to give him the double shout?
GG's?
Yeah.
Who's GG's?
GG's Classics.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
on GG.
Oh,
Is that GG's? I think that's GG's, bro.
GS.
Yep.
Yeah.
yeah, I think it is.
Shout out GS Classics. Lovely.
Buy full margin, parentheses, which fluctuated between 1 to 2 contracts. 1 to 2 micro contracts, Mr. Awkward. Which is crazy. Imagine your full risk being 2 micro. I mean, if that's your plan, like go for it, right? But as someone who's been trading GC for a very long time, having my max allowed contracts to be 2 MGC is quite insane.
That's quite insane.
Yep, it's what we got. It's what we got to deal with. It's nothing we can do. So we trade what's in front of us either way.
What about silver 1 minute buys? Prices high.
I ain't looking at silver.
Mm.
That's my trader soul. Yeah, same, Marlon. But you know what? We have to adapt, like Mr. Awkward says. We have to adapt. There's nothing else we can do. If it's not in our control, it's irrelevant, right? Because we just need to trade what's in front of us, what we have. So this is what we have. This is what we'll trade.
And it's temporarily, so.
Yeah.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Nah, they can't. I'm 100% guaranteeing you they can't.
Yeah.
They cannot afford to do that because they will lose.
I know.
I agree.
That's
I agree.
They've
They've lost a lot of people already.
Yeah.
Like they've lost a lot of people because I've seen it on social media that people are not liking this.
Yeah. And there's a lot of firms.
Nothing really bad that they say about Top Step, but now they are. They've definitely lost a lot of people, so I don't think they will keep it for long. And
I agree.
I've made over the last 6 months is insane. I felt completely fine after taking the loss today. But if it was me 6 months ago, I would have taken like 3 more trades trying to make the money back. That's amazing.
Yeah,
man. The more you trust your system, the less you care about the outcome. And the moment you can detach we can never fully detach from the outcome, sadly, but the moment you detach as much as you possibly can from that outcome is the moment you will probably see amazing profits, and you will just feel amazing in trading because you're not, oh my goodness, I took a loss, but I want to make it back. And then you take another trade, right? An A plus trade, let's say, and you're more focused on making that top left of your screen green as opposed to closing out the trade where it makes sense. And then you hold that trade, that next A plus trade, to recover the loss, and you just go BE, and price pushes to a logical point to close, but it's not enough to make your red day into a green day, and you just hold it, and then price comes back down to BE. You get B on that trade instead of chopping off like 70 to 80% of that previous loss. So now, man, that's a massive W. Massive. Well done.
I guess W.
And the biggest
Also, like,
W there is not only just getting better and seeing that, but it's actually admitting where where your fault was at and actually changing something about it and then seeing the result. Because I know that's happened to me in the past where you can do anything you want to do and you can try all these things, but if you don't admit that you're doing something wrong, then it's never going to change. But once you admit that and you can see that from a different perspective, then that's a huge value.
percent. And
Thanks.
also to add on to that, like, what a beautiful thing to be like in control of yourself and like the market instead of the market controlling you, instead of like just being at the will of the market and then just going basically crazy. No, you're in control, cool, calm, collected, and then you see the progress you make, and that gives you more confidence, and then you can add on that and add on that and add on that. And then when you go from you see a loss like that and then come back, get green days and 2 green days, bro, the confidence goes through the roof. And then like George and everyone else said, you trust your playbook even more. Big W, bro. It's one of the biggest steps.
We got the closure here. So we
Yeah,
close
if we
back
get a-
above. Yeah, George,
Yeah,
say.
you go.
Oh, you can
I
go.
was gonna say that if we keep these highs, come down and grab the previous 15 low, I'll definitely be interested in buy stops right here.
Exactly what I wanted to say. 100%. It's almost like we trade the same.
What?
Because you do.
Yeah, because we don't really have the steepest bottom wick on this 50, and we could still fill this on the 30-minute, right? So this is how
Yeah.
the 30-minute looks right now. So it would be pretty nice if we now break these lows. What would happen now, or what would happen then is sellers get activated. We get sellers, and their position look like this. Oops, where is it? There. So will look something like this, right? So now let's say they got activated right here. Let's see if we can get back up and stop them out, which would then in our case now activate us. So I'm gonna have a buy stop.
Yeah, me too.
I am also going to.
Full margin to MGC.
Let's see if we
Marks?
can toss combines today.
One MGC full marks.
It's really hard to pass combines halfway in a day now.
It
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
But you know what I was gonna say?
Silver?
Since
Oh,
it's
what?
kind of hard to trade. It's kind of hard to trade XFAs right now with 2 MGC not having the balance or be trading 50Ks. So it's in a way it's kind of good because that means we can just keep stacking XFAs.
Yeah.
So either way, it's a dub.
I mean, bro, in a sense too, it's kind of funny because the market is always like adapting. We're always adapting to the market, and like we're always adapting to the prop firm game. We're always adapting to everything. So it's just like another scenario where we're adapting currently, and then it'll go back to normal. We'll adapt, and then the market will change, and then we'll adapt, and something else will happen, and then we'll adapt, and then you know what I mean? I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all part of the game.
We will always find a way.
100%. Even if we sell a meme points, I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. Anyone trading Tradeify on Tradeivate? How's the GC chart since no candles on my side?
Luz, are you on Tradeaway?
Nah. Actually, I just opened up a Lucid trading account, so I'll be testing them out.
Okay, wow.
My wife is on Tradeify.
Let me check. Oh, I'm not looking at it, but I can pull it up.
Yeah, at some point we're gonna need to see this candle reject, so that we know we have some steam. Either that happens or we fill this 30-minute wick.
Yeah. Wouldn't
Tends to
also,
come down to support.
yeah, wouldn't also be the worst, I wanted to say. Because then, like you said, we also have these supports down there we could take buys off.
Damn, I'm in sales, bro. Sales look good. We are just, Shania specifically are just not really interested in taking sales, so we'd rather want to see the buys play out. But 30-minute sales look really good.
Yeah.
If I wasn't so bullish, I would be in these sales because I prefer the sales. With this current candle setup that we have going on, the sales look really good. But if we do manage to break this high, buys look good. So your sales still look good. We're not in this. We're not in buys. We're just looking for buys.
Let's see, would I still take this if we break the highs? 150 pips. Yeah, I would still take this. But we need to, if we break the lows again, then I'll just wait.
Same. Big
And-
SL, surprise. Yeah, but low contracts, so it's okay.
Yeah. I mean, this is 150 pips, and I'm going full margin, and I'm risking $300. So
Bro.
I can't even go red on a day if I lose this trade.
Gambler, bro. Gambler.
Gambler.
We broke the lows. For me, I am gonna just wait on this. For now, you guys can keep it because if it rejects now and breaks the highs, it still looks pretty good.
It needs to like shoot up now, man.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, hello, shooter.
But it also needs to continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we come down to like the last 3 minutes, I'm deleting. Or if we break the lows again.
30. Yeah. Aaron, I don't have coffee, bro.
You're gonna have to go get one, bro. Or you mean like you can't make one? You don't have
house. Yeah.
Order some.
Uber Eats, bro.
Or I'd rather just go like quickly run and get it.
All right. Quickly run and get it. Uber
Yeah.
Eats yourself.
Do it if we don't get the closure here.
It's like a 2-minute walk. So why must I order it?
I know.
I've done it before. Don't get me wrong. I have ordered coffee from a store that is like 200 meters away from me.
But honestly, it makes sense if you're working.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Bro.
But it just comes cold then. I don't want cold coffee. I'd rather drink it on the way, warm,
Oh yeah, that's a different story then.
Yeah.
What about buys off the 1 and 5
Oh, if that's your move, bro, then you go for
to
it, man.
complete a little bit of an early entry here? If this, you know what I mean? At 27.6, how do you feel about that?
Let me.
I see what you're looking at.
You see what I'm looking at, bro?
Yeah, I see what you're looking. That's what I was looking at, the same thing, but still got
Yeah.
like 2 minutes to on the 5.
Exactly. You're gonna keep super tight stops too at like 21.6, like just on the 1 minute time frame, or you just keep them below the lows too if you really want to let it breathe, or you can just like wait. I mean, obviously it's definitely way more risky. You know what I'm saying? But
I do like that early entry. Makes
Yeah,
sense
makes
from a
sense.
market structure standpoint.
not
But
like
That's a nice entry.
a whole lot of a whole lot of risk is on the table. You know what I mean? So
mhm.
Yeah, yeah, but entry looks solid. The 30 minute just scares me.
mhm.
Other than the 30 minute, yeah, looks good.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah, because if I look at the 30, it makes price action sense for us to come down for the wick, and also it makes sense for us to come down and tap the support
Right.
at 03.4. Will that happen though? I don't know.
Exactly.
Alright, I deleted my order. I'm waiting on the 30 here. Looks like we're gonna close bearish.
Looking like it.
For the Tradify account platform and so on. I'm not sure. I don't have a Tradify account. I haven't used one, but I know Lewis has used it, Aaron has used it, and Napier has used it. You guys have any?
So what do you mean by the steps? I mean, if you're talking about like challenge account wise, are you talking about like the 40% consistency? Oh, platform. I think it automatically ties it into, I mean, obviously TradeOvate, but if you sign in to if you sign in to TradeOvate through TradingView, it automatically ties your account with it. So just make sure you select the correct account. The credentials are in your dashboard, and that's what you use to sign into at TradingView.
I'm sample sizing this move on a 5 minute. Not taking it, just sample sizing it.
It makes sense on the 1 minute though.
Yeah, I saw that. How it closed below and then back above, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and it rejected right away. So we like to see that. And then with the 3 minute candle, it's a good thing. So now if you see it break the previous 1 minute red candle, you should get a pop. So you're still looking good, eh? Awkward, no, you don't need to open a TradeOvate account. As soon as you buy the account with Tradeify, it automatically gives you that TradeOvate account, which you can also trade on TradeOvate. It'll make you, or it won't make you, but it gives you the option to sign into TradeOvate and you can trade there. But you can also sign into TradingView and trade through there as well. Oh, you see that pop there?
Yeah.
I'd like to see us break this high though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you should be able to at least to hit those supports or resistances there at the top.
That's how I would reduce the risk.
Yeah, I kind of like feel that. Go risk free at the midpoint of that W, Aaron.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I would.
No, yeah, I love you mean that like here, like 30.
Like go to the 5 minute. You see a lot cleaner.
Right.
Right there at that resistance. with this hour closure coming up, you
Mhm.
should see a quick move. So
That's one scary hour, 1 hour looking candle.
Mhm.
yeah, I mean the good thing is you don't have a top wick on the hour, 4 hours, so it's all the signs are pointing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just when, you know? It's
Yeah,
a matter of
exactly.
when.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we
And
need to
then,
get
like
our
I said,
timing
with
right.
London,
Yeah.
with London Open, it's kind of it's like an NFP candle kind of.
True.
I don't know about that one, Chief.
I'll be
London.
y'all know
You
more
don't see
than
that? You
y'all
don't
know
see
more
that,
than
Jordan? You
me.
don't see that,
Maybe NFT's got me thinking about it since it's coming up this week. Akri, to answer your question, I like Tradify. Personally, I don't have one right now, but I do like them. I like I said, I am trying out Lucid right now just to have somebody else on the side. But Top Step is really my A1.
A1 sauce.
Aaron.
A1
So we got London Open coming up now, but we will get a setup right here. Maybe a impulse, maybe, but we'll have to see a lot of volume and some nice liquidity grab for that. Otherwise, we gonna wait some more.
Yeah, exactly. I agree. You gotta diversify your portfolio.
True, Walker, true.
Diversify.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not interested in with anything here at London Open either. Price looks good to go down. So this 1 hour may want to form a top wick, and then yeah, David, it should be good, bro.
A big go. You use Tradify? Yes, sir, Ocker. I do. I like them a lot. Definitely. Definitely my number two. I like Top Step still number one, but it's definitely easily my number two. And you can make the argument they can be number one, but I mean, I just love Top Step because I'm weird. Yeah, I mean,
Gold looks like
they're beautiful. Nothing bad to say about them. I have the select accounts, and then I just chose the blue pill I like the best. So they're like the same as Top Step.
So smooth.
Goalie, goalie. Yeah. Boring
I
London
just exited
Open.
the trade, bro. That was so boring.
You're still in it?
Yeah, I was, but not
Oh.
anymore. Like I just went out break even. Just wait for something else.
Yeah. It's not really pushing.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not doing what I wanted. It's not gonna give me also the reward really that I'm looking for. It would have to really push, which it still might, but
Yeah, might do
I'm
now.
cool with just waiting. Yeah.
Dang, AB. It's all good, man. Get some rest.
What did AB say?
He fell asleep again.
Oh, he's a fever.
Yeah.
All good, brother. Muito bem, G.
I thought he was unbreakable.
But yeah, these 5-minute buys would have been lovely.
Yeah. Just
So
had
we
to
got
have some
value.
patience.
L closure, of course, right when I close, then it gets the volume in it. But that's such is life,
They were
bro.
saying, is Aaron out? Is he out?
Right, exactly. Like, all right, pump it now. Damn.
Ah, man.
Sorry.
There goes our move. But, well, at least we knew what Goldie was
Mhm.
planning to do.
Yeah.
We just
Yeah.
didn't got the entry ticket today. Yet. I
Yeah,
mean,
that usually happens when like there is lower volume. Like it would still eventually hit what we wanted to hit, right? But it won't. We won't necessarily get the closures we want. But that's just a part of trading this for now. Once London picks up, we should be getting better closures. But yeah, that's just part of it.
maybe we can hold off here for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
That's hell,
it
bro.
still looks good. Still looks good.
I would have also been interested in these impulse. What I wanted to see was after we came down and made this low, then we came up and made a high, and then we flipped bearish again. I was hoping for it to break its own lows and break the previous lows. I would immediately have a buy stop on the current because this is
Yeah.
exactly the same setup we took on Friday, I think, in London. Exact same, pretty much. Just right, last Friday was even better because this closed like no bottom wick. But then, you know, we grabbed the lows on a 4 hour and everything, but kind of the same setup, the same impulse. But we didn't got
What's
it.
Yeah,
different
I agree.
between that and the position that I took? That's what I'm
What again?
trying to say. What's the difference between that and the position that I took?
Let me see your stream. Can you mark it up where you took it from?
How do I do this? Long position.
That's a fib. Yeah, that's better.
I mean,
And then on the 5. I mean, yeah. That's kind of like similar, like a liquidity grab impulse.
right.
But I don't have
Yeah,
that's basically you took
Yeah.
that trade, right?
Yeah, I took it, remember? And then I just went break even and then it just juiced. I
Yeah,
got literally the bottom weight, but it's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's perfect.
W awkward.
Lewis, did you take
Nice.
it too or no?
No, I didn't. I did like it though. Don't get me wrong.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I should have at least kept your vantage point. You know what I mean? Okay, don't worry, I got it covered. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. At least someone did it right. Somebody did it right.
W.
Hey,
Maybe I
let's
think
go, you
that's
Pedro.
D2.
I'm sorry, bro. I should have like not went BE, but it was the volume was lacking, so I was like, all right, maybe we just come back down. But and then literally the second later, it just exploded. So that is my bad, but it is what it is.
W Moon though, nice read.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the read for today, definitely, because this is exactly what we planned out, but just without the setup to get in. But we came down, grabbed the lows, and yeah, now we coming up for that
Yeah.
forward top wick.
That impulse would have been nice, but I agree with you. We needed to see it break that low. I mean,
Yeah.
if you look at the 1 hour, you're wondering, okay, it's gonna form a top wick,
Right.
and then it's gonna continue down, right?
Right.
So the break of that low was very important
Mm-hmm.
to then trust those highs. That okay, we've broken the low, we didn't drive. Okay, now if we break these highs, we should come up.
Yeah. And I think if that happens, you would also see it push harder than it does right now. Because I feel like a lot of buyers held off because of that. Because I know a lot
Yeah.
of traders are looking for the same stuff. They are looking for people to get liquidated, to get, their orders to get filled. That's just how the chart moves, how
market works.
candles,
Yeah.
how everything just works. And yeah, with time you will just get an eye for all these things and see them happen pretty quick without even thinking about them.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when you learned reading. Nah, like think back when you first learned reading, you had to concentrate for every word because you wouldn't recognize any, like, all the letters yet, because then you were like actually reading word, like letter for letter in every word. You know what I mean?
It's so true, yeah.
And
you
and
you
now
read consciously.
yeah, and now you just look at a word and you don't even read it really, you just recognize it, right? And that's just how the charts will be for you. You will just look at the charts and you recognize the setup immediately. You don't even have to kind of think about it. You just see it. Like I see, if I look at this chart, I immediately see that we might gonna have a breakout here. Or fake out, back inside this range, however you want to call it, breakout, fake out. And then looks good for a buy up.
Yeah.
So if you're just a beginner and you're like always still getting confused on, the charts and see others marking it up quick and talking about it quick, breaking it down quick, don't worry, you'll catch up just by doing it consistently.
Yep, repetition. Bunch of reps.
Very quickly, yes sir.
Done. Three minutes. 3 minutos.
For a brief second when Janusz was speaking, it reminded me of Eckhart Tolle. I don't know him, to be honest. Am I missing out?
Eckhart Tolle. He's a German teacher. Oh, Power of Now. Oh. I've not read the book, but I have heard of it.
Oh yeah, we have a new section on the Discord for books. So if you have any interesting books you think that could help others in their trading journey or journey just in life in general, then feel welcome to share them with us.
Nice. Nice.
Great W.
Oh, I got Marlon there. Let's
Good
see.
event.
Secrets of the Richest Man Who Ever Lived by Mike Murdoch. I've heard of that. About King Solomon. Sounds interesting. How far did you read it already, or are you into it right now? Alright, have you finished it? So far it's good. Okay. King Alex, good morning.
Man. Someone's taking out. Yes. There, I posted my book that I'm reading. The best book in the world. By far.
40 seconds for this closure. Looks like we might get an... We maybe get a trade here. Do you like this?
Yeah.
W
So-
Pendra. W. Yes, Yanosh.
Yeah, right. I think it's... This
Because
is
I
one
can be
of the...
more aggressive on combine, I'm willing to take this, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is one of the better breakouts.
Yeah.
It's, you know, kind of a fake out too. But the liquidity grab, man, that would have been the nicest entry could have gotten.
For sure, yeah.
Let's see. We need a bottom wick, as always.
For sure. Yep. Yeah, the best thing is to wait for the 30, but I mean, we got London Open, we got this fake out.
Yeah, got clean range.
If we can get this low, it should be good to go.
Need to get a low.
Need you? Yeah, 100%. Every time I hear post a book, the first thing I think of, boom, Bible. But I do read other books, so I'll post some other books too.
Yo, looks nice. George.
Hello?
Yeah. Looks
How are
nice.
you? Oh, bro. I thought you said looks nice because we got that bottom egg. Then I looked to the right, then I didn't see the bottom egg, and I thought maybe my chart was frozen.
No, I was talking about the Bible.
Yeah, I realized.
Yeah, sadly no bottom wick. It's
Goldie.
gonna drive. W for everyone being in. Nice move.
Yeah.
But this is also just this part of trading. We've planned this move out, and we stayed disciplined. We didn't jump into it too early, and then 9:30 we knew exactly what we wanted. We didn't got it, and now we just watch it go.
Yep. Exactly. And what's so nice about trading multiple sessions is that now we almost have like a confidence boost that we read the market correctly. And leading up to the next sessions, we also understand, we have a deeper understanding of how price is moving, which helps us for our analysis in New York and Asian and so on and so forth. So yeah, definitely read though.
Yep. W to everybody who took it on the lower time frames.
Yeah, too.
Great job. Great job. This 30-minute is just taking off. Yep. And this 30 doesn't need a bottom wick right now, as we have enough volume to push with London Open. This is like... Yeah.
Yeah, it's going.
It's probably gonna break these 4-hour highs any moment.
if you look at my chart, I don't know if you can, Janosh, but if you go down to the 1 minute,
Yeah.
I marked up a zone from 5035.3 to 5036.7. Kind of the break of the highs on the previous, like on the
Yeah.
left hand side.
Oh yeah, what a nice buy.
And
Dang.
it came and it tapped that and it went all the way to where I had the next zone marked up. I have it to 51. I was just sample sizing this in my mind.
And now look at that. Target would have been these 4-hour highs, and we just tapped it.
Well,
Boom.
that's a big confidence boost for me.
Yeah,
Honestly.
doesn't get much better than that, right? I mean,
Bro, like, it's time to sample size. Where you put your TP, where price could reject, is you enter an opposite trade. Once your TP gets hit, boom. You know what I'm saying?
Don't
do it, guys.
Get them
Just an
back to
impulse
back.
thought.
Hey, Aaron, I see you, Aaron.
Was there an inverted celery on silver or just me? Let's see. What time frame? I'll
Aaron
find
is
it.
trading silver.
on the 15, I guess.
Dang it, bro.
Let's go.
Anyway, Alex, kind of 30. Yeah, okay. On the 15, you definitely have one, Alex. Yes. So it's a massive candle rejection. Closing. It doesn't even need to close bullish, but it's got a topic. This is definitely
Bro, L
what you would
closed.
call an inverted celery. Yes.
Order rejected.
It's pretty much how it goes. Nice move, Alex.
Yeah,
Did
W
you take
move.
this, Alex?
Yeah, Alex W move, bro. That's it, bro. 100%.
Nice spot.
Just woke
Nice
up.
woke up,
Brain's
Prince.
still hurting now.
Okay, bro. Yeah, but this is your inverted salary.
Oh.
Perfect one, actually. Or Morning Star? I think, I don't know.
Morning Star, baby.
You're my morning star. Every day in London.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we tapped that target and then boom. See now, who asked about the bottom wick? This is a scary candle to be in because you're not trusting this current 15-minute low, right? Because we don't actually have a low, we just have the opening. And had this thing had a low, you maybe would have trusted it more, but at any point now, within 8 minutes, we could flip. But this is a little bit different because the 30-minute has, like said, we've already printed the bottom wick. We have the London Open. This thing should shoot, right? But for us, for example, we were entering off of the 15-minute and we needed a valid stop loss. And this current 15-minute does not have a valid stop loss for us. So there's nothing we can do about it. Although we knew we had a very high chance of shooting up.
Alex, I see that you say there might be a position on gold when there's a close in the entry on silver. I've been noticing that too, and yes and no. Sometimes yes, but like I used to like get into my brain like, all right, I was watching it and it's identical, but it's actually not. Like you got to be careful because you can get caught trying to think that, and then you know what I mean. They don't move exactly similar. You know what I'm trying to say, and also like the contract size as well. So you gotta be careful for that. I also noticed that silver is like maybe wicking and flushing a little bit deeper than gold, but then sometimes vice versa. That's what I'm trying to say. You can't be like, it's just correlating 100%, like, and I can just take it no matter what. At least that's how I'm seeing it so far. So let me know if you're seeing the same. What are you guys looking at?
I just explained it for like 5 minutes, bro.
My bad. Can you take trades on gold with balance below 50,000? I don't think so, right?
You can't. I'm on a combine, but on my XFA redresh, I can't. On the 50k, I have a 1400 balance, and I can't.
Yeah,
I can't.
same for me.
Yeah,
Oh.
I can't read it.
I can take it on this one root dress because it's 150k, and then my other 50ks are both above 2k, so that's why I can trade MGC. Bro, we're waiting for Lewis, bro.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we will. We'll be looking at that in New York for sure.
Come on, Lewis, drop the signal, bro. That's all we need is Lewis to call 1 NQ anything. No drawdown, W.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks fine. I have traded NQ in the past. And we didn't, we weren't really good friends, me and NQ. And so I just decided to, you know what, cut my losses. I'm gonna write NQ off as a friend and move on with my life. And then months later, Lewis is like, bro, no drawdown trade. Get in. I'm like, oh, say less. No drawdown. Stop loss hit. Vow to never touch gold ever again in my entire life. So that's where I am right now.
What happened 10 minutes later though?
What?
AB's hitting food. AB's hitting food minutes later.
Listen, AB reacted after SL, okay? Forget and forgive. I do forgive. I've forgiven those G, but I won't forget. What is the biblical way of doing it? Forgiving. The Bible says, if a brother comes to you and repents, forgive them. If they come again and sin against you and they repent, forgive them. So the biblical way of doing it is forgiving them. But NQ is not my friend, so he's not. NQ ain't. You know what I'm saying?
Just trade it, George.
I can't read NQ. That's just me.
Mhm.
I cannot read it.
All right. You call out the signals for NQ, what you see, and I'll trade it, and then let's see what happens.
I don't think it'll go well, but the thing is, I'm a NYSE open kind of trader. I work my New York
doesn't
session
matter.
around NYSE.
Whatever
And
you say turns to
NQ,
gold.
bro. Oh, NQ is crazy.
I don't know, bro. Let you know what's up.
Yep. By the way, we should have only like 3 or 4 seconds delay on YouTube.
Hey, upgraded.
W.
We're gonna get the cams back.
The games we will have to do through OBS, like Allison has mentioned. Yeah.
I was joking. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Man.
London Farm is probably done now.
Nice move.
That's what I was thinking.
That was a
9:30.
really good move. Really good move.
But yeah, later on, we're gonna have AB Mike starting his first ever boot camp.
Ooh.
So,
Fire, bro.
yeah, if
The goat.
anybody is
Baby
interested,
snipers.
get a spot in the students' classroom. You can get that over the website. I'll put the link in the chat. Yeah.
Snooze Fest.
I think there's
Snooze Fest. Oh.
snooze fest at the moment. Yeah, true.
Mm.
Yes, sir. Listen, me too. I'm excited. Yeah, nice move. Would have been nice to be part of it, but it's also nice that we had the right read on this, and then we take it to NY, and we might have more luck with our setup.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think anything will form for London here for me.
Yeah, same. Because even if we come all the way up and maybe form a resistance, it's just way too much chop. I mean, we have this resistance, we have this support, we have this, we have this. There's just this range for me now without the London Open volume. I don't trust it. Did my stream crash again? Can you guys see my screen?
No, we can't.
What, dude?
You
Sorry.
can hear you perfect though.
Just
Yeah,
the
it's
stream.
not. It's the OBS stuff that we did yesterday. I think something's happening. But yeah, I think there's just too much stuff going on. And if we close below, I'm not so into the sales after volume times. So yeah, I'm not really interested in this price currently right now. What about you, Yunosh?
Same. Like you said, we had like some nice moves down and a nice move up now. So, and we didn't really push through this right now. So yeah, I think we're gonna come back down maybe, and then build a new support. You could take buys off there, but I'm not sure about the volume at that time. I'm usually not trading late after London, like the late London.
Especially on the Monday, right?
Yeah. So nah, I think I'm done for London today. The move I wanted,
Yeah, I
we
mean,
didn't got, so yeah.
yeah, I mean it played out, right?
Yeah, but we didn't got the
And
entry.
all those who did get in that W, Ockert, I know you got in, so W read, W execution. But like said, I'm not really. I'm also not interested in these high time frames. Thank you. Actually, looking good for South America. Let me check that. Hold on. Outbreak. 5 seconds. What was that?
I don't know.
My OBS is crashing, bro.
That was me. Now I lost my headphones.
Oh.
4 hours bearish. 1 hour rejecting hard. 30-minute. I would wait for this top wave to form, perhaps spine. But if you don't get it, that's unfortunate. But the sales do look pretty good, I would say.
Yes, I saw that because I was trying to look at the same, and then this thing crashed. But yeah, like George said, I think a top wick is necessary before you want to just jump in. But they do look good.
Yeah. But so, is anyone interested in anything? You guys want to call it? Aaron W movie. L closure.
Yeah, favorite L closure.
2 L closures.
I know, bro. I didn't say anything on silver, bro, because I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't. But yeah, I'm good, bro. I say we call it and head back in NY. And
Alrighty. Well, W session YouTube. Thank you guys for putting up. It's a little bit of a shorter stream. the price looks pretty dog water.
Yep.
um, and it is a Monday, so we're not looking to get crazy on the markets. We have a few sessions coming throughout the day, so I think for this session right now, for the bigger part of us, it's best to save our bullets and get a really nice trade with some good volume because the volume is really slow right now. So YouTube, thank you guys for pulling up. We love and appreciate every single one of you.
Yep.
Discord, you guys are also amazing. We love and appreciate you guys too. Members, we will see you during New York.
Yep.
With
And
some
don't forget
some good
AB's thing starts today too. His
Yep.
his
The boot camp
yeah, the boot camp. Let's get it.
for
Yeah.
the lower time frames. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What time? What time?
10 p.m. Germany time.
So that means
That's for
I'll get it
US
for you.
and Y.
yeah, 4 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
4 p.m.
All right,
Ready?
boys. Yes, sir.
Having
W.
all that said,
Yes, sir.
thank you all and have a blessed
Do
day.
it.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
very much for
Thank you,
watching.
man.
Until
Thank you,
tomorrow.
man.
Peace.
Yes, sir.
Peace.
Peace.